With Proofpoint Content Patrol, you can monitor, remediate, and report on social media compliance at scale with intelligent classifiers and simple automated workflows. I'm going to walk through some of the key features. Let's get started. Managing static content, such as employee profiles, is a key part of your social media strategy. Content Patrol makes it easy to streamline your profile review process. You can configure your profile review policy to meet the specific needs of your firm. This includes designating whether you want to review profiles before or after changes are published. And you can identify which profile changes you would like to trigger a review. You can also designate specific words or phrases to trigger a review, or pre-approve words or phrases. Here, you see an employee submitting profile changes for pre-review. Once the employee submits their changes, the profile appears in your review team's queue. Your reviewer can see each change, make edits, and approve some, all, or none of the profile content. Here the reviewer approves the changes and pushes them live to the employee's profile. Proofpoint also helps you monitor interactive content, such as posts, comments, and shares for compliance risk. You have the option to configure and customize many built-in policies, covering common regulations, security threats, inappropriate content, and more. These policies, which utilize artificial intelligence and natural language processing, are highly accurate and minimize false positives for your team. For each policy, you can decide how you want the tool to respond, whether that's to notify you, simply log the issue, or ignore it altogether. Here, you see an employee creating some content on LinkedIn. With natural language processing, Content Patrol can recognize that the first use of the word guarantee here is promissory, and thus unacceptable, while the second use of the word is harmless. When employees create or share content that includes a URL, we also scan the content and the URL and provide a snapshot for your repository. Your supervision team can easily review content that has violated a policy. And Content Patrol provides you with multiple options for responding to risky content. You can delete the content, hide the content, forward it to other team members, ignore it, and more. And you can set this up to happen automatically, or you can manually take action if you prefer. You can also customize notification recipients based on which policy violations were triggered. Finally, Content Patrol enables your team to report on the program to leadership teams, internal stakeholders, or auditors. You can easily view summaries of incidents generated over a specified period of time, how many were reviewed by your team, what actions were taken, and more. With Content Patrol, you get complete visibility into employee social media activity and the ability to remediate issues quickly. Contact us today to learn more.